This is the Xsense smoke alarm, one of the top selling Wi-Fi smoke detectors on Amazon. I bought two, one for the downstairs hallway and upstairs. It runs off applications for notifications and you can control the smoke detector. Now this is the XS01WT model, which does not come with an interlink feature, which I'm fine with, but other models do. They have the after sales support and up to 7 years warranty if you sign up. Inside the box you will get a booklet with instructions on how to install. A strong double-sided self-adhesive pad. Pack of screws and a pin. And finally the sleek design mini smoke detector. Has a beautiful mesh design all around. An easy pull out tab for the battery. Time to set this up. Now on your Smart Life app, go to Add Device. Tap on Sensors. And you want to select Sensor Wi-Fi. Go through its Wi-Fi settings. Click on Test on the device. Make sure it's blinking blue. Confirm that it's blinking. Now let it connect. Now another way to connect if you're having a bit of trouble is to click on the AP mode button with the pin given. This will give you another connection to successfully connect to your device. Once you're all set up, on the home screen it will show you your battery level, the smoke alarm status, and in the settings you have a list of notifications you can receive from your smoke alarm. And if the alarm accidentally goes off, you can silence it with your phone. Let's test this out. Now installing the Xsense smoke detector, you can either use screws or the sticky pad. Remove the smoke detector, you simply turn anti-clockwise and clockwise to lock in place. Now I've got them both installed. Doesn't take too much space like those big bulky ones. Overall it does the job. It sends me notifications weekly to say I'm all good and up and running. The replaceable battery lasts for 5 years. The upgraded models do have an interlink feature, so even if you're out and away, at least you can get notified as soon as in case of an emergency. Take care guys, peace.